In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make my homemade DIY deep conditioner that will leave your hair soft and shiny. This DIY deep conditioner is very good for your hair. It will make your hair soft. Keep watching, guys. Let me take you guys along. Let me show you guys how I make this effective DIY for your hair growth. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. You are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my channel. I appreciate every one of you. In today's video, I'm going to be making a deep conditioner for my daughter's hair. Okay, and I just want to share with you guys what I use to deep condition my daughter's hair. Okay, these are all the ingredients I will be using. Okay, I have mayonnaise. I'll be using mayonnaise, and this is my DIY clove oil. Okay, this is the clove under the bottle. Okay, I have a video of how I make this oil. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in this description box so that you can go and see how I make this oil. Guys, this oil is very good. It's very effective. Okay, and I have one banana. Then I have 2 eggs. Okay, I'm going to be using the yolk of the egg. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Okay guys, this is my blender that I will be using. What I'm going to do, I'm going to crack my egg inside. That's the yolk one. And the second one. Then what I'm going to be adding on my banana. You can use as many banana you want, depends on the amount, the quantity of the deep conditioner you want. Okay, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise. I'm going to be adding two tablespoons of that. Now I'm going to be adding my homemade clove oil. That amount. Okay, now I'm going to cover it up. Then I'm going to blend this together. Okay, I'm going to blend everything together. Just going to blend now. Okay guys, this is the finished result after blending. I'm just going to pour it inside my container. As you can see, it's ready to be used. Okay guys, I'll show you guys how I use it to decondition my daughter's hair. Okay guys, now this is my daughter hair. I've already shampoo and wash her hair. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to rub the deconditioner all over her hair. Then I will finger tangle it with my hands. Okay, I'm just going to rub this all over her hair. Then I'm going to use my hand to separate the knot. Okay, if there's any knot, I'm going to use my hand. I will not be combing the hair. I'm just going to use my hand to detangle the hair. Then after detangling, I'm just going to put it in a twist. Then after twisting it, I'll wrap it up with any plastic bag. Then I will allow it to stay for about 20 to 30 minutes. All depends on you. All depends on the time you can wait. Then I'll rinse it off again. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love and the support. Thank you. Okay, guys, I've already washed out the deep conditioner. As you can see, our hair is very soft right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply my my leave-in condition. Okay, then I will apply my deep-in condition. As you can see, that's the one I'm using. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm just gonna rub it around the hair. Okay, then after that, I will go ahead also and use my homemade DIY hair goat oil, and I'll use it to rub this the scalp, massage the scalp also. Then after doing that, I will go ahead also and use my homemade DIY shea butter that I made. I have a video of how I made the shea butter also. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Okay, then I'm just going to comb it out. Then I'll put it in I'll use my thread. Okay, I'm going to use a thread to stretch it out, because I'm not going to be using hair dryer. I'm just going to use a thread to thread it out, so that by tomorrow morning I can do a proper hairstyle for her. Okay, just watch. Okay, just watch what I did with the hair. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. guys, I am finally done threading the hair. Okay, because right now I'm just going to use my DIY homemade oil to rub the scalp one more time. Okay, then tomorrow morning I'm gonna do another hairstyle for her. I'm just using this thread to stretch the hair out because I don't want to use a blow dryer. That's why I put it in the thread. Because right now it was already late in the night. Then the next morning I'm just gonna do another hairstyle for her. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching from Facebook, please don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. Please don't forget to subscribe also. Bye everyone. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye.